About time for another shout out. Today I got Brennan, heating, air conditioning, electrical, and plumbing. Um, Community involvement. These guys are knocking it out the park with their local impact. And I love this verbiage they have around this is we're neighbors first, comfort specialists second. When you think about success in the home servicing space and how you can create marketing to push it, it's local, 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 local. And that is your community. And so we're neighbors first, comfort specialists second is going to push a message that, hey, we're here for you because we're also here and we care about those around us. These are great ways to push the brand further. And you can see here they have a little over 2,200 reviews. So not only are they speaking this, but then people are bringing that experience to where they can increase their visibility around what's going on, and that is the Google Business Profile. So you might be able to see how you can tie these things together, and when paired with a great digital marketing strategy, visibility increases. When visibility increases, leads come in from there. So great work, Brennan. This was really cool to see. I just absolutely love all the amazing initiatives you guys are setting out so that they truly feel that you are neighbors first. Great work.